Qais bin Abbad states that they asked Hazrat Ammar radiyallahu anhu, tell us whether you participated in this war as per your own discretion, for an opinion can be right and wrong, or Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got any covenant from you. He replied, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not get any covenant from us which he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had not taken from all other people. And he further said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Shoba says, I think Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu states, in my ummah there are 12 hypocrites who will neither enter paradise nor find the aroma of paradise until a camel enters the eye of a needle. The bila, a boil or ulcer will be sufficient for 8 of them. Lamp-like fire will appear and their shoulders which will exit tearing their chests. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6967.